All right, everybody, Sylvia here. Welcome to Travels by Trike. Today, I am at the Recumbent Retreat 2024, and I'm with a lot of people. We're getting ready to do a ride, the first ride, the sunset ride, and it's probably going to take off in another 10, 15 minutes. We're kind of just really waiting for it to get darker. And yeah, welcome to Recumbent Retreat 2024. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Oh yeah, now that takes some skill. Ringing the bell, up on two wheels. What? You could do better than that.
That's impressive.
People are just getting here, getting the trikes and bikes off the rack. Heading back down the hill after a lovely sunset. Here we go. Woohoo! 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 Back at F Loop. Did Cinco and Luna enjoy the ride? They did, didn't they? They just thought it was great. And this is what I consider the beginning of the Recumbent Retreat. So welcome to Recumbent Retreat 2024. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next retreat video.